Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
In dead. Oh God. They kill him.
I wish I didn't shoot him.
The one up at top, the one in a police vest. The one in a vest up at top. Me see how which one video.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know. So they attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my people, based on that clip that was sent to the attacking boss, my viewers and subscribers, Zane, I didn't get no date. I didn't get the exact location of this incident, my people. But it is said that it's in Jamaica, which I can hear the people in the background. If you hear them jam something, the people, you understand, you can hear the talk. You know, see a straight yard it go on, but them say recently go on police. And them say it's a man, people, who decided, say, yo, he might go attack the police, them, my viewers and subscribers. Saying, which the police, they not take no chat, people. And it end up where he was shot. And based on information that I have received, people, him not make it, him drop out. And you can't hear the amount of can where the police them beat. You understand that you can't listen. If you listen good enough, people, you hear some of the pishing when them too. You ping, pishing when. You understand? See? So, I don't know what wrong with this thing and our people, but why he chose, I mean, so when something I run and I move like him can sight bullet or something like he has some spirit or some powers where him can jump and flick through bullet, people. But him not see what time it is, people. Him can't escape nothing there, so because the police have beat it left, right, center, all different angles. See? But I really want to know, people, what or where him do or what him use to attack these police. Was it a gun? Was it a knife? Was it a machete? Was it a hammer? Or was it a big stone or a piece of stick? I don't know, my viewers and subscribers. And I can't just come say, well, but based on the information, he has attacked the police. And the police comes up and take action, people, and beat up the con them and manage to slap him. See? So I now go blame the police. I now go attack the police. But what me ask the people, why did he choose to attack the law enforcers? Why him chose that? Him ready for dead, people. Him come like the story me cover the other day over the Bahamas. When the man decides, say, yo, he might give up him 3 points, people, and he ready to go shoot at the police and this and that till the police then pitch him over like all fall. Or dead dog a road. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Why the man, him could stay one stay a couple more days for it. Him, judge sees, judge knows, boy. You know, you see in this world, people, we have all type of things to deal with, you know. So we have to just prepare ourselves, have an open mind on a daily basis and expect the unexpected. That's how we always say, people, because we don't know what tomorrow may be. Because look on this thing, you know, He man jump like pitch area and do this and do that, people, and till the police then just pitch it on. You get ping, pishing. Judge sees, judge knows. But people, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect, and enough blessings, and just continue to do the right thing, people. You understand? Don't get distracted and don't get misled by them, because, yo, so much things are going on out there, people. And only Jah sees and knows. Enough love, my people. Enough respect every time. Fully attack. Blessings. Peace. I'm out.